to all our compatriots in the Philippines and abroad. Today is a sacred prophetic night, October 9, 2024, the anniversary of the presidential proclamation of the Pamitinan Protected Area Landscape by His Excellency President Fidel V. Ramos. And also, most significant, tomorrow is the day of the Department of the Interior and Local Government designated by law. Tomorrow, these 10 candles will be lighted in the Katipunan Cave of Rodriguez Rizal. So, this ceremony will unfold, but it is enough to say that this is the eve. And for us Filipinos, the eve is always very important. Oh heavens! Oh heavens! I remember when my niece, Marie Cristina Naras Nagamos, and I went to the Republic of Turkey, October 1 to 8, 2022. On the way to the Republic of Turkey, House of Mary, and Ephesus ruins, I saw in the heavens these words: our heaven, our home, our cave. Bless us, O heavens. This is the Pamitinan heavens. Because the title of our event tonight and tomorrow will be the Transfiguration Radiance, the Transfiguration Fragrance in Pamitinan. Transfiguration Radiance of the Covenant Country in Pamitinan Protected Landscape of Rodriguez Rizal. Amen.